everyone, welcome into my channel. If you are new, my name is Maggie. I'm doing vintage decor, but now I'm start a new journey. I'm start to flip furniture. I'm start to flip furniture to help my daughter pay her university tuition. I'm a flip furniture mom. Before I start the video today, I want to talk a little bit about my journey, flip furniture. When I start to flip furniture, I make goals. The first one was sell 52 pieces of the year 2021. In 2 months, I already found it, fixed it, and sold 29 pieces. Oh wow! In 2 months, I sold 29 pieces. And the other goal was make 500 subscribers on my YouTube channel. In 2 months, I got 500 subscribers on my YouTube channel. I want to thank you all, you guys, for your encouragement, for your support, for your tips, for your love in the comments. I want to thank you all, you guys. And now I have another goal, make 1,000 subscribers on my channel. If you guys can help me, thank you so much. When I start to flip furniture, I'm trying to find pieces for free. The most pieces I found it for free was on a Facebook marketplace, but some pieces I found it on a route, on a trash, on a pile of the trash. Today's video is about trash to tesorery. I found this high boy and this dresser on a pile of the trash. I really enjoy, give a new life to them, a new luck and many years to live again. Today's video is about mix and match trash to tesorery for profit. Let's go to start. I found this dresser on a pile of trash for free. I bought these 2 nightstands on Facebook Marketplace for $30. The nightstands was in a good shape. The drawers run so smooth. The dresser the drawer broke. Was in a really bad shape. The top is a mess. Dirty. Need you a good love for we'll be back to the life. The boy is not in a bad shape. It's a bad shape. I found on a pile of trash too. Has some scratch, need you cleaning. But it's not in a real bad shape. Some scratch on the top, on the sides. The back is okay. Let's do a quick look before. This dresser was trash. The nightstands. The highboy was not so bad. And after. Let's go talk about the numbers. I found this dresser and this highboy on a pile of the trash for free. I found these two nightstands on the Facebook Marketplace for $30. I mixed and matched and sold as a set. I spent $190 on this transformation. I sold that for $890. I make a profit $695. Oh wow, well done. That $695 goes straight to my daughter's tuition. If you enjoyed the videos like this, please like, share and subscribe on my channel. I really appreciate it. See you on next one. Bye.